Te Am Kumali route. This route is rich in sights. Our journey through this beautiful route takes us to Vandaperiyar, the gateway to Kumali. Vandaperiyar is one of the most beautiful and scenic parts of the Western Ghats. This is a beautiful view after Peruvanthanam on this road. The next scenic site on this route is Valanjang Gonam Falls. This waterfall cascades down from the cliffs and is one of the most beautiful views on this route. While regular tourists are given the awaited view as they hear the roar of the waterfall from afar, the first-timers on this route are treated to the sight of an unexpected waterfall. The water falls here from a height of 75 feet. Vandapiriyar is a beautiful small town located in Idukki district. This area is located at an altitude of 2,743 feet above sea level. The prominent river Periyar is the main source of water in this place. Vandapiriyar is famous for its beautiful natural landscape and variety of crops. The main source of income for the residents of this village is the production of spices, herbs, and tea, coffee and pepper. Visit the flower garden and the government agricultural farm, where rows of rose plants, orchids, and anthuriums provide an eye-pleasing sight. There are also tea factories here that offer guided tours. It is a very popular tourist destination where the cultivation of different spices can be seen at the ultimate. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar River, Pulumdu, Spice Garden, Konimara Tea Factory, Panjalimedu, Gavi, Paranthumpira are tourist places near this place. This hilly region is a delight for tourists exploring the natural beauty, orchards, and spice farms. The famous temple of this beautiful place is Sri Dharma Shasta Temple. There is a story about the origin of this temple. The Pandya dynasty who fled from Madurai reached the hills where the Mangaladevi temple stands and decided to settle down at Vandapiriyar on the banks of the Periyar river due to lack of water there. A boy who came to Anapuram informed the king that robbers were planning to attack the Atyumanar temple, so if you protect the temple from the attackers, the king of southern Kur will give you shelter. According to Balan's instructions, the Atyumanar temple was saved from the robbers, and in return, the king of southern Kur gave the land of Punjar to the descendants of the Pandya king, the Punjar kings, and then the kingdom of Punjar came. The king then inquired about the gods and learned that the boy who had come to the elephant that day was Sri Ayyappa Swami, and that the Shiva temple that stood at that place had been destroyed by the flood. Then about 800 years ago, the temple was built and the dedication of Shasta was performed. Since then the main festival of the temple is Shivaratri because of Shiva Chaitanyam. Of previously destroyed Shiva temple was installed in Balalaya. 8 years ago a Mahadeva temple was built and Shiva Lingam was installed.